Hello everyone. In this video, I will let you know how you can create Google Tag Manager account to set up WebKit GTM Assistant Shopify app. At the very first, search for Google Tag Manager. Select Google Tag Manager website. Log in with your Google account you want to associate with the Google Tag Manager. Enter your password. Click on Next. Once you are logged in, it's time to create a GTM account. Click on Create Account button. Enter your account name. It could be your business name or your store name. I'm adding Demo Development as a store name. Select your country. Enter container name. You can use your website name as a container name. These container can be used for multiple platform as we are going to use for the Shopify web store. So select the web container. Click on create. Read these terms and conditions, accept it, and click on yes. So your GTM account is set up successfully. This is your Google Tag Manager container ID. Thank you.